Welcome back. There's some weird creature over here. I don't know what it is. They're just laying on the floor right now. So I have no idea what they are. But also we do have some birds over here. Some birds. I don't know if you could see them, but they're there. Yeah, they're birds. Yeah, they're birds. For some reason, they don't want to fly. But yeah, and now we're just gonna wait. We're actually going pretty fast. Ooh, for accidentally zoom in. Okay, nothing really. Just gonna keep this here until something appears. After thin air. Okay, just a little more waiting, and then we can. There's jungle. Looks like a jungle or something. We're just waiting. Just waiting. It's a trial now. We're doing it. Okay, I'm bored. Okay, the video ends. Bye.